Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I am Ashika and I am a CBSE 10th grader, and this video is going to be very interesting. So make sure that you watch till the very end, because if you're looking for the right batch, I'll clear a lot of your doubts in this video. And if you have already found your batch and you just want to know my story, then also keep watching. So basically, in the month of Feb, I purchased the Yodha batch by Just Padle. It was advertised in a very nice way, and plus no other batch was advertised at that point of time. So I did not have any other batch to compare it with. So I just purchased it because I had watched a few videos of Pranay Bhaiya and I liked them. So I thought that this batch would be good for me and all of that. And after that, like in late March, like next toppers ka batch and physics wala ka batch, they also gained a lot of popularity. Okay, uske baad like I did my own little analysis, okay, and I thought कि पहले देख लेते हैं ये वाला बैच कैसा है, and उसके बाद I'll think of the other things, because I did not expect कि like physics वाला का भी बैच आ जाएगा, because I personally really like physics वाला का everything, because first of all it is quite affordable and second of all the teachers are also very nice. So इसीलिए I thought कि पहले let me see how this batch is like and then I'll like decide कि अगर मेरे को इसी बैच में रहना है या फिर मेरे को स्विच करना है. Now after this we have the first trial classes of the Yodha batch, which are available on YouTube, so everybody can watch them, which I think is quite nice. तो मतलब trial classes होनी चाहिए ऐसे. So वो trial class होती है. Okay, it starts a little late. First thing. Second thing, I joined the class and the first like 20 to 30 minutes are just like yapping and I'm just waiting कि अब पढ़ाई start होगी, अब पढ़ाई start होगी, अब पढ़ाई start होगी, but no. Okay, but I think that is also acceptable, because I guess this is also kind of a little orientation session, like a brief orientation for the kids who did not attend the orientation or something. So that is also acceptable. Okay, उसके बाद like actual हमारी classes start होती हैं, but उसमें भी I did not find anything actually informative, because like when I watched it, I personally could not retain much. So मतलब मेरा ये personal experience था. And like plus एक SST का chapter start हुआ था, which is completely new for me. I understood the chapter, but I did not like, मेरे को कुछ याद नहीं हुआ, मेरे को सिर्फ समझ आ गया थोड़ा बहुत, but that is not sufficient for me. Well, so that was my experience with the first class. Now I attended science class as well. उसमें the questions and all were fine, but it was not something extraordinary. Like it was basic. Like I can find better stuff on YouTube if you know what I mean. So that was my experience with that, and I solved the questions also. I can say that the DPPs were very nice and were very helpful. Like the questions were good. Okay, and अभी वैसे भी ज़्यादा आई तो है नहीं, उनके बैच पे कुछ ही आई हैं, but जो भी थी they were nice, and उनके solutions नहीं मिले मेरे को. I don't know if I couldn't find them, but what's the point if the solutions are not there? Okay, so that was my review on the Padle batch. Now let me talk about the Udaan batch and why I switched. So मैंने जो तुम्हें सारी problems बताई जो मेरे को लगी, on that basis I thought कि I should switch to the Udaan batch. Okay, now this is my completely unbiased opinion, by the way. Okay, so first of all I got the Udaan batch की जो books है, okay, and I saw those books, and I kid you not, the questions in the book are actually so good. Like first of all, the difficulty level is perfect for me. It's not too easy and it is not like completely out of the syllabus, like not completely irrelevant. Like it is perfect. It is exactly what I would like demand for in a question wali book. And plus there is also a little competitive section in the book for every single chapter, and that is exactly what I need. And I personally believe कि थोड़ा सा मतलब तुम्हें एक्स्ट्रा पढ़ते रहना चाहिए, एंड स्पेशली इफ़ यू आर प्लानिंग फॉर सम कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम और समथिंग एल्स, देन दिस कैन बी परफेक्ट फॉर यू एज वेल, बिकॉज लाइक उस कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम के लिए यू कैन प्रैक्टिस फ्रॉम नाउ ओनली, एंड इट वॉन्ट इवन फील लाइक यूर प्रैक्टिसिंग, बिकॉज दिस इज बेसिकली लाइक NCERT करिकुलम ही है, एंड उसी में आगे चल के यू हैव द कॉम्पिटिटिव लेवल वाला पार्ट एज वेल. ठीक है, तो मतलब मेरे को बुक्स भी बहुत अच्छी लगी थी, एंड पढ़ने वाला बैच वॉज ऑल्सो नॉट सेटिस्फाइंग मी उतना. So इसीलिए I just decided to switch my batch to the Udaan batch. Plus Udaan batch के reviews and all were good. Like मैंने YouTube पे थोड़ी videos भी देखी थी and they were also very nice. So इसीलिए I decided to switch and like now I have switched my batch, like I have purchased my batch and like अभी background में जो clip चल रही है उसमें भी मैं अपने उड़ान batch के backlogs complete कर रही हूँ क्योंकि 2 weeks पहले batch start हो गया था. So सारे backlogs मेरे को complete करने थे and I watched all the lectures. The lectures were really nice and बहुत अच्छे से explain किया हुआ है and you get to know like the every why behind a particular thing. लाइक इवन इन बायोलॉजी, लाइक 10th की बायोलॉजी में काफ़ी रटना होता है बट मतलब समृद्धि मैम इज एक्सप्लेनिंग एवरीथिंग सो नाइसली एंड मतलब हर चीज़ का वाई कि ये चीज़ क्यों है जो मेरे को पर्सनली मेरे को भी बहुत जानना होता है. सो दैट इज़ वेरी नाइस. मतलब कुछ भी रट्टा नहीं मारना पड़ेगा तुमको. अभी मैंने वैसे मैथ्स का कोई लेक्चर देखा नहीं है सो आई कांट से एनीथिंग फॉर मैथ्स क्योंकि लाइक अभी मेरे एग्जाम स्टार्ट होने वाले हैं ना, इसीलिए आई कांट spend my time doing something that I already know. So I'll watch maths के lectures later and then I'll let you know how they are. But I've watched बाकी सारे lectures जो भी थे and all of them were very nice. Chemistry के सारे basics मेरे clear हो गए and जो सब समझना था मतलब जो सब मेरे को क्लियर नहीं हुआ था एंड मेरे को जो डाउट्स लगते नहीं थे मेरे को थे वो डाउट्स मेरे क्लियर हो गए. सो आई थिंक ओवरऑल इट इज़ वेरी नाइस एंड इट इज़ अ वेरी गुड इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड इट विल बेनिफिट यू अ लॉट बिकॉज इट इज़ बेनिफिटिंग मी एज वेल. एंड मतलब इनके जो DHS होता है मतलब डेली होमवर्क DHA डेली होमवर्क असाइनमेंट्स देर ऑल्सो सुपर हेल्पफुल. लाइक फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी गुड एंड देर इज लाइक अ सफिशिएंट अमाउंट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस एंड देर इज वीडियो सोल्यूशंस टू एवरी क्वेश्चन. लाइक आई वाज सो सरप्राइज व्हेन आई सॉ कि हर क्वेश्चन के एक्सप्लेनेशन अलग से लिखा हुआ है एंड उसके साथ देर इज अ QR कोड विच यू कैन स्कैन टू वॉच अ लिटिल वीडियो एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ द सेम. So I think that is also very helpful. And अगर तुम्हें कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं आता है then you can bookmark it as well and you can refer to it later on. So basically you can have your own digital mistake notebook over there. So that is also very helpful. And देखो अगर तुम्हें परचेज करना है तो तुम मेरा कोड यूज़ कर लेना ASH10, तुम्हें थोड़ा सा डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा. Even I used it when I purchased it and मेरे को भी डिस्काउंट मिल गया. And other than that like overall this batch was very nice and मेरे सारे बैकलॉग भी जल्दी क्लियर हो गए बिकॉज लाइक मैं 2x पे देख रही थी एंड मेरे को समझ भी आ रहा था एंड लाइक ऑल द क्वेश्चंस विच दे टेक अप इन द क्लास एज वेल आर ऑल्सो वेरी गुड क्वालिटी क्वेश्चंस. लाइक दे एक्सप्लेन दी NCERT के कुछ क्वेश्चंस एज वेल एंड एवरीथिंग एंड हर कंसेप्ट. सपोज हम कोई NCERT का कंसेप्ट पढ़ रहे हैं ओके एंड उसमें अगर मतलब कहीं देर इज स्कोप कि इसमें हम कुछ एक्स्ट्रा पढ़ सकते हैं, कुछ एक्स्ट्रा जान सकते हैं, देन दैट ऑल्सो दे इंक्लूड इन द लेक्चर्स which I found very helpful because मतलब जब मैं वो पढ़ रही हूँ फ्लो में मेरे को थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा भी पता चल रहा है which is also very nice for future because I have to take PCM in 11th so that is also going to benefit me a lot. So yeah, basically that was my personal opinion for the Udaan batch. I know that this video is sponsored but my review isn't biased or anything. I personally really liked it and if you also have enrolled in the Udaan batch, let me know what you think about it. I really hope that you guys found this video helpful and if you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and like this video and do let me know what your favorite part from the video was and if you found something on which I can improve then also mention that in the comments because I love to improve my content day by day and also as I put up on my community post I won't be able to post regularly now for a while because my exams are starting but that is just going to be for like 1.5 weeks or something so please cooperate with me on that and thank you so much for everything guys. That's it. Love you always. Bye bye.